get that crate on board. More importantly, we could take a look at my hike yesterday from here. So I started going through those little villages that are the housing there. Then I made it all the way up to that big cross or sail mast thing. And from there, walked somewhere in there, and there is the visitor center. It's a little setback. But then went over to that, and finally up to the summit to Cabot Tower. And it was exhausting. 9.1 kilometers it turns out to be. The Basilica of St. John the Baptist, after which this city is named. I bet if you can go up into those towers, you'll see a clear shot of the harbor, but unfortunately from here, we're a little blocked in. But still pretty cool. This is the landmark that helps people on the open ocean guide them into safe harbor, which, being a church, makes sense. Apparently this is Canada's Superstation, Newfoundland TV.
It's Wednesday, July 12th. Headlining our news at this hour, a professor from Memorial University says the CNLOPB is broken. We'll explain. QB members parade a Trojan horse through the streets of St. John's. And in national news, thousands prepared to evacuate the BC wildfires. This is NTV Newsday.
I have to check out this cab company because they have to pick me up at like 5:30. Probably 5:30 in the morning tomorrow. Let's check out this jingle they have.
Newfound Cabs, proudly named after this Newfoundland, for fast, reliable service and so much more. First dial 7 and then keep dialing 4. Major credit cards and Interact accepted, wheelchair accessible vehicles available. Newfound Cabs, first dial 7 and keep dialing 4.
They got that from Mitch Hedberg. I know they did. Just hit 7, then dial 4 for a while. Eventually, you'll know you've picked the right number when I pick up. That is the worst Mitch Hedberg impression ever, but it's totally one of his jokes. There we go.
You know what that is, because you've traveled around now, you should know.
We heard the split peas.
Yep.
Up to the 12.
Yep.
Oh,
They can make that sing, right?
I don't know, it looks like it was just like
Yeah. There's
you trying to
videos.
get on the plane with this.
There's videos.
Ain't gonna happen.
You'll need a seat for him.
Absolutely. I just have to go back online and book another suitcase for my husband, yeah?
Oh.
look at that. And I was talking about this. Look how many seconds it gives people to cross here. The countdown actually started at like 66. Now that may be the same as most crosswalks anyway, but the actual countdown being any higher than 20? Never seen that before. Anyway, just waiting for my tour. This tour. All just so I don't have to walk there. But I do want to see it. Oh, Petty Harbor's on this too? Sweet. I didn't actually realize that. Look at that. Someone actually has the last name Duder, or at least someone did once upon a time. Maybe that's where that came from. Anyone hear the sounds of Halifax? Sorry, anyone hear the sounds of St. John's there? I think they're pre-recorded and coming out of Shamrock City, but it's still pretty cool. There is such a strong Irish connection to Newfoundland. It's crazy compared to all other places. There's immense loyalty to the British Commonwealth, probably more than other parts of Canada here. That makes sense because they haven't even been a part of this country for 80 years. They're about 78 years in. No. sorry, 68 years old right now. And there's even a Republic of Newfoundland flag that looks like the Irish flag that's been left out in the sun, aka the orange part has now gone pink. So it looks like almost a Neapolitan kind of thing. Oh, that guy's got the right idea with that shirt. Okay, well, 2 minutes late, but it's island time, so I'll give him 15 before I start freaking out. I got here way early, so I should be fine. Unless I'm in the lunch box. A word to the wise, they are very on top of ticketing for expired parking in this town, so just be aware of that. This is about the 4th or 5th time I've seen that, and it's their job to do so. So I can't fault them. But just don't think you'll cheat the system, because they won't let you.